Okay guys, today we are to make some chicken broccoli. It's very easy and simple. Thanks to Chef Vic Cousin for giving me this great recipe on his YouTube page. Yeah, you guys should do well to check him out on YouTube. He's a great chef. Like, I've learned a lot from his page. Yeah, on YouTube here. So do well to check out his page here on YouTube. He's really amazing. He's cooks are so nice. I love all his recipes, so do it to check him out. So I saw this great recipe on his YouTube channel and I thought about sharing this to you guys, and this is it. Some chicken broccoli is very easy and simple, guys. You will really love this. Like, it tastes amazing. Like, the taste is so given. So just stick around, like, subscribe, and do well to comment. Oh, yes. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Can TV and I'm Jobless Azubike. Okay guys, today we are to make some broccoli chicken recipe. So it's very easy and simple. Yeah, so just stick right into the video. If this is your first time here on Can TV, what you need to do is to subscribe. Click the red subscription button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, and please like this video. Thank you. Let's dive right into the video. Okay guys, these are the ingredients that we're going to be using in cooking our chicken broccoli. So we have our dark soy sauce. I'm going to leave these list of ingredients on my description box, so do well to check it out. I also have my light soy sauce. Then I also have my vegetable oil. Then I also have my hot water, then my green chili pepper, my ginger and garlic, my onion, my white onion, my red bell pepper, my honey, my broccoli, my chicken thighs. Yes, we're going to be using chicken thigh, not chicken breast. Yeah, then I have some of my seasonings, my thyme, my curry, my Cameroon pepper, some seasoning and salt that I will be using in marinating my chicken. Yeah, these are the ingredients. So first of all, what we're going to be doing, we have to marinate our chicken. Yes, we have to marinate it for about 1 hour 30 minutes. Yeah, you can make it longer, but I was in a hurry, so I just have to do it this way. Yeah, so we just have to add all our spice together. Then we have to add also melted butter so that it will really stick right inside the chicken, so that the taste will like really enter inside the chicken. That's why I use melted butter or melted margarine, anyone you find available. So I have to massage this, then keep it aside for about 1 hour 40 minutes. Then what we need to do is to cut our broccoli. We're going to cut it in the perfect size that we really want. I really like it not too big and not too small, just in between. Yeah, after we might have cut this in the kind of chunk that we want, we have to like put it in a bowl, then add hot water to it, then allow it to stay for about 15 to 20 minutes, then sieve it out, then keep it aside. Then we have to chop all green chili pepper. You have to chop this, then keep this aside, then start chopping our onion. I'm using white onion. I'm going to chop it in a very big chunk. Then I'm going to cut my bell peppers in a cube form just to make it look nice. At this point, we're going to heat up a pan, then add in some vegetable oil, then add in our marinated chicken thighs. Please guys, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So we're going to allow this fry for about 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, it's still frying. It's about 20 minutes. I'm going to go in with my blended ginger and garlic. I'm going to allow this to fry for about 5 minutes for it to bring out some lovely flavors and aromas. Remember, we really need to fry these our chicken thighs to be a bit golden brown. Please, if you've not liked this video, please like this video. It really helps the YouTube to push my videos to other people that are looking for this recipe. Then I'm going to go in with my white chopped onion. I'm going to fry this for about 5 minutes to allow it bring some lovely flavors, you know. Then I'm going to go in with my red bell pepper and my green chili pepper. I'm going to fry this to allow it bring some lovely flavors. I'm going to be frying this for about 5 minutes or thereabout before I'm going to add my broccoli that we've already soaked inside hot water. So we're going to now fry this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to go in with my chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. Please guys, this is optional because I love my food very spicy. That's the more reason I'm really using it. So it's very optional. If you don't like your food spicy, don't bother. So I'm going to add in my dark soy sauce. Then I'm going to fry this for about 5 minutes. Then this is the time that I'm going to add in my light soy sauce. Added a little bit. Then I'm going to fry this for 5 minutes. Allow everything to fry. Then I'm going to add in my honey. I have some remaining inside. I'm going to put it after. Then I'm going to add in my hot water. Then allow this to boil for about 10 minutes. After it must have boiled for 10 minutes, I'm going to add in some of the remaining honey. Then allow this to just cook for 5 minutes, then bring it down. Wow, it's ready. Please guys, like this video. If you love what you're seeing, like this video. Thank you. Share this video to your community tab. Do well to leave a comment. Tell me what you think of this video. Will you definitely try it at home? It's really it tastes amazing. Like, the taste is amazing. Do well to try this at home. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think of it. Bye bye. See you in another video.